Pusla dibuskan tuh. Hello guys, it's me again, Jana. It's been a while since my last cooking video. Today we're gonna make Fudgy Brownie! Let's get started. This is the pan we're gonna use. I have greased it with butter, lined it with paper. So we need lots of butter and we need lots of chocolate. I'm gonna pour this chocolate into the butter. And now I will mix this to chocolate mixture. Mama already heated this butter and chocolate in the microwave. I'm gonna mix it into yummy chocolate mixture. I want the pink one. Yeah. I always love the pink one so much.
Why?
Because I love pink. Wow. I'm mixing the butter and the chocolate chips. I am gonna crack 5 eggs like quack, 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 quack. Enough! 1, 2, 3, oopsie, 4.
Kena maju?
Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, 5 already. I am mixing the egg on. We're gonna put the sugar. We have granulated sugar. And we also have light brown sugar. We're gonna whisk this egg until it's foamy, pale yellow. Just like that. I always whisk up the mixture. And now I'm gonna pour it into my chocolate mixture. I don't spill anything. I'm confident. Oh, this is how we scrape the bowl. And now I'm gonna mix this until it's well combined. And now I'm gonna add the flour and the cocoa powder. Which one first?
Just pour it all in.
Or both of them? I can't. This one in. No, this one in. I can only do it like that. And now I'm gonna stir this mixture carefully by scraping from the bottom of the bowl and then bring it up into the up. It's time for the toppings. We have more chocolate, walnut. Which one's walnut? And this one is dried cranberry. And yeah, that's just cranberry. Now I'm going to pour all of these into this chocolate mixture. And now I'm going to mix this again. Make a very yummy hazelnut brownies. Alright, it's already well mixed. I'm going to pour this into the pan. Ooh, it's really thick, but looks so yummy. Meanwhile, I'm creating the oven to 180 Celsius. And we're gonna bake it for about 30 minutes. We just level in the surface. And this is the last step. I'll put more toppings on top of the batter. Now it's ready to go to the oven. Alright guys, finally the brownie is ready. It looks like this. Your mama will help to get it out of the pan. Thank you, Mama. And now I'm going to cut it into squares.
it?
Alright guys, the brownie is so good. Hope you try the recipe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.